Hello, welcome to Mission to Mars. This is your Mars solar shelter, and I built my little door for mine, and my astronauts with the UV beads can fit inside of here. But this is my little doorway, and today I'm doing this video to show you guys how to make an LED and light up your solar shelter. So I'm going to take this out of here, and I'm going to show you. See, my little solar shelter is made out of popsicle sticks, and I can store my astronauts in there, keep them safe from all those dangerous solar rays. And this is how we're going to be doing the light or the indoor part of the solar shelter. So you guys should have two LEDs, you should have a coin battery, and two strips of copper tape, and either an index card or cardstock to work with. And so the first thing we're going to do is look at the LEDs. And one side is longer and the other side is shorter. It's kind of hard to see here. The shorter side is the negative side. And same with this one. It's a little hard to tell when you split the legs apart, which one's longer. There used to be a trick about how to see it too, but just kind of try to remember by looking, or you can fold them back. So I'm just going to remember this is my negative side. So I'm just going to make sure I remember that's my negative, and I'm going to split this one apart, and I'm going to say this is my -2. And actually the best part too is that when you test that, almost doesn't look right. When you test it, you'll be able to see if it's right or wrong. So we're going to do a parallel circuit, and the first one we're going to do is we're going to take off the backing off the copper tape. Not all the way though. So I'm going to take it off, and I'm going to lay it down on my cardstock. And then see, it goes kind of past that paper. I do want it to go past that paper, but I don't want to take the sticky off. So what I'm going to do is that I left it like this with the backing still on it. And you'll see why in just a little bit. So I can use that. And then I'm going to get the other piece, and I'm also going to leave it just the same way. So I can also do it like this. I find it better just to peel, which is a little tricky sometimes. So the bad thing, so this copper tape on the back side of it is sticky. Now the sticky part means that it's insulated. So if I fold it over, it will not work anymore. It has to be always that copper tape. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my railroad tie and then see how it ended. I have to go back and make sure I get that covered. If you do that, we can always like put tape over that too, just regular tape. So now I have my two lines on there. I'm going to make this we'll say this is is that right? I'll do my positive side on this side, and I'll do my negative side on this side. Okay, so I'm going to take my LEDs, and I'm going to put my positive side, and I'm going to tape it down. Now remember, I already marked it. Now if it doesn't seem right, I can always go back and just check it. Now we have to tape this on really, really good with Scotch tape. And the reason for that is because we have to make sure they stick and that they're really touching that copper tape. Because if they're not touching that copper tape, they do not want to light up. All right. You guys saw how small my piece of tapes were. And my positive down here. See if I get that right. Now I'm going to test it just to make sure. Now a coin battery has a plus side, as you guys can see, there it is on the top, and it has the negative side, which is the rough textured part. So of course I'm going to put the negative side on the negative. See how I marked it negative? And the positive, I'm going to flip this one over and touch it and see if my batteries are lighting up. Now, see, one of my LEDs is not lighting up. So I probably know that it's not touching, but they're right enough. Or I put it on the wrong direction. Now you see if I push it down, it's working. That means that it has just not a very good connection. So sometimes I pick it up and retape it I'll make sure the legs are touching on there the right way. Sometimes I rebend. Some people like to also make sure that they're having a lot of contact. And this is a good idea too, is to bend your leg. Hope you guys can see that. Bend the leg all the way onto the tape. Do you see how mine kind of rides along the railroad? So that means that there's more parts of it touching. So now let's go back and test it again. And now it's lighting up. So I got both of my LEDs lighting up. Now I want to be able to hang this inside my house upside down like lights in my living room, right? So I'm going to flip it upside down and I'm going to grab my solar shelter and I'm going to tape it to the inside, just like that. So I'm going to grab my masking tape. I'm going to put some tape on there. I'll put some tape on there. And I'm going to tape it carefully inside of there. All right, cool. I got mine on there and let's see if it hangs. It's hanging. All right, now I flipped it upside down. Now I want to remember this one's my positive, this one. So I'm going to put my finger on this one. And this one's my negative. So this one goes to the bottom side of my battery. So it's going to be like, that will be that side. And this will be my positive. Now, how do I keep that stuck there, right? And we can't go like this and tape over it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to tape my copper tape down to the top of it, not covering the copper because then it won't be conductive. I'm going to get two pieces of little bit of tape, making sure you guys can see this. I'm not going to put it on top of that tape. I'm going to put it right over here. I'm going to carefully tape just the side of it and another little side. And it's a little slippery, so you can go ahead and but you see how I left part of that battery exposed? And I have to leave that battery showing. There we go. Okay, now it's on there. Now this part's a little tricky. Now what I like to do is, you saw me, I took off that piece of paper and I'm going to fold over this copper tape onto itself. Now it's stuck. So I folded the paper over. I took off that paper or the backing and I folded it onto itself. So now when I touch this against that little spot that's not taped, my house lights up. So, but if I let go, it's not lighting up. So that's where your little magnet comes into play. And now we have a switch. So anytime I want to turn my light off inside my house, I just take my battery off of there, my magnet off of there. And I think that magnet's a little stronger than my tape job, but okay. And then I can close my door and there's my Mars solar shelter and make sure the lights are working. Mine are not working out. What? There we go. There you go.